So given the forum here and a lot of younger people and existing students, I figured I would try to impart some wisdom, since it's a big reunion year for me, number 25, on how writing is actually really critical to succeeding in business. And one of the most underappreciated skill sets of what I do as an investment banker is the ability to write. No doubt a lot of M&A and capital markets work and reading the Wall Street Journal, you can think about math, numbers, stock prices, and company valuations. But in business, it's critical to be able to write, and write effectively. I got to be persuasive, creative, and succinct. If it doesn't work in 60 seconds, it doesn't work at all. So whether I'm selling a company or advising a CEO on critical strategic matters, or just trying to win a mandate, it's all about emphasizing active over passive, crafting language that jumps out on the page, and being succinct. None of this was ever relevant, as you point out, to creative writing, film noir classes, history of the 1960s, and Irish literature. Anytime I see a 700-word essay, it could be 500. I tell this to my 10th grader now all the time. And keeping the reader engaged from page one is critical. So at the end of the day, I looked at Oscar Wilde and James Joyce and said, without them, I wouldn't be the writer I am today, and it certainly gave me a critical skill set for business. Thank you.